match in 3, 2, 1. Right off the start, we have Hawkbot trying to get some cubes into their collection. And Hawkbot, you have Philadelphia getting some things into their collection as well. Be off the red while they do it. Amigo Mafia getting ready to line up and support these cubes. As they lift off their left, they get one to the very end. Meanwhile, Hawkbot trying to score one. Drivers can now switch.
If I look tiny, you saw me.
Yeah, it's tiny. Eli, they're blocking the robot.
It's going to be one robot. Drivers must now switch.
I don't mind it, like...
Hawkbot pushing some more runs off of those posts to get extra points. As Amigo Mafia gets ready to line up and score some purple cubes. They line up and score. Announcement to all teams, skills is about to close, so if you have not run skills, you should definitely get in line to run, because at the end of qualification match, skills will officially be